Reverend Yosin Aba.
Gift Gansa.
Gift Gansa Aba. Una Usunie. Vide ne Nyami Shamu.
Amen.
Sompa delight. Ya shasi. A dynamo woman. It's here for Mr. Ajman.
Edin kai beda onyankopon ase eto da bia ewo ani so ade hunu bi na yenam no enema bebre na awade di adua yemu na je se wupushi ansa na awade nso so atimi abo ama na bem se di enima ne sa Abena Ruthy de enwum na oto eno oye women in gospel for omo president eti bia obi akra adwe ma se radio adwuma so betumi atena konso nanim akasa na ne nyina asa na nyame eye no ese ye adwuma eye adwuma papa me agasa mi swara na nka mbese me ye adwuma we ya
journalist okay
na nka me so me because me masi we radio presenter jama no kwa na ma me pay ne ba no no GBC na waka news friend danso abebrese
okay
timpani for pa omo mutie radio ni be ebehu no danso osimbi din de danso abebrese oka no kra na me yawu nti me so mi wi school na so me kope radio aduma ne mo me koye no in fact me sorry me koye in fact dem de me famu no man
omo drele wana
oh chale
kose
me say ye twen so we nyina wie ya fe wie ya ese ye de ko studio na obi akwa akoma commentary football na me so minim football mo
pass my way and on my way and go anywhere
masa me ko tena ase na kotokone house na me tie for say de agopama so aye butu and na kotokone house GBC ya sem na me kayo na semla afem si afide na ba yire power ha no agopama no so aye de afi ya sha for ya shabo na si wa password ya mana mafa mini player bi adi wa asase so ti number 1 dia mana 2 na mat kiki go kotoko ashe house no say ha studio ha na kotoko ashe house eni wa feel so mo guo nyina ya house fo ana mi so anya ho bo no me na me bontigo no ye beti asase eni kiki no matia ashe kotoko be man na ni nyina mu no ewade wo ba bi obi abefa eti minim se ewe ni so ade hunu but enne na ewade amena bam eti e men pai bo se ewade ba mana ye kese na yesus ye wo hyi ye beta wachi abri bia wo be free ye bia obibia mu no ye be jadi ye
Davi like ya form na ma
Afọ
okata odo
asi amafo
yes okata odo mo do sa o yo okata odo amesiame odo dabe na mbedo ewie vio so dadao no vio
that's it hey my dear you are learning fast ejagba we wodo.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Mrs. Sika Coleman, in fact, counselor. Mami fe number counselor Sika Coleman is in the house. Counselor Jankropo on show. So now Monte say Omoidi can buy and become women in gospel. I Abena me a president for women in gospel. Na sister yo team him he odi women in gospel muntinti my counselor papa or executive member. And I see a ne or ba not in any one of a charge me dear chinti Davi blame say kata
yes so as broken now can is too much. Yeah, like Brown Kamisa, we came to say congratulations.
Thank you.
And then pray that this program becomes a blessing to Ghana and beyond.
Amen.
That's it. Congratulations.
Amen. Thank you.
Wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
We were dolo.
Ayo.
That's it.
Is that you right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, and I can't begin to thank all of you for coming because this is overwhelming. And you'll be an inyane many so panya mi shramone women in gospel for udi o wanim de ba nyina nyankropo shramu nyina me da se papa Davi no
the pass your sister baku me kai time bi I call London na Jonathan Butler ebe performing wo conference bi a yɛkɔ or we na also for the can say Jonathan Butler okoye say nipa bi a yasuma no to the secular world because apart from so gospel musicians he has a lot of collaborations with secular people so through that no minister to secular people nti ye hu say any animal are doing well on a supposed secular platform it's a big message it's very very important you know say Sompa is broadcasting to everybody. Yeah. Sompa is not a typical Christian station because normally we say, oh, we are Christian, Christian. This is a Christian station, but through this channel, we are reaching out to many more people. To with the gospel, and I thank God. Say, me now we are banker. Me now we a banker, but they be me share it to say na reach this three. Na me so sanso ye gospel museum. Say na three me say, mama we the juma bank juma na so because obi wa banker. Say customers there just a three job me there. They be me who say na they be me who say there is more to you. Yeah. There is more to you. Me who say you sanso ye gospel museum say na me can unti. We no akoye say who start pressing another button in your life. That's right. So there's more to you. So we had the energy say Sister Bakuzu Abena such a platform. Not through her no God's work will go far. Yeah.
Yeah, in here preaching hallelujah.
Oh, Charlie. So you say, preaching now.
It's exciting to hear from you. It's exciting to hear from you. I mean, I'm saying yeah. And you are 30 years in the industry.
30 years.
Hey, Charlie. 30 years. You're oh, yeah, 40 plus.
Radin to two and Namo NCA. On Num to and South Texas, so now Radina Coupon and Fast City and Shower Flum. A Radin Mama Sonia Ding and Sinewa Tamfo. A Radina Coupon to two and Namo NCA. A Radin Mawachi dump him. A Radina Coupon to two Tatan Fanco to the Bion Rade. As if we hoa on one shed, so a doko. Shall come to a bravo so. There's a pony in town, no how men to my die. Or Pimbeto Benkum or Pidubeto Nifa. A big count what would you when you want to understand what going for a Katia, a Radian Muti and Torso, a Radisha and Torso, a Radiabas of Bo, and you would say, a Radino Chem, a Radino Catapo, a Radino Tipeja for, a Radino Tentina for, a Radino Retich for Pa, and if you are Shri, a Radim Fantomo, Bosumi Wemu, a Radima on Srewati, a Radima Wadansidie, a Radimani Pahus on our pow, Machicho Re, O Christo Yesu Dimo, and your Bompire.
Yes. AJ. Mema wakaba ba Sompa delight. And then you ne bibi shonko kra. Oh, and I like kicking me that chair. Mishaka anyway. Jama spirit, not sorry. Mema, good afternoon. Mijidi sa wohunye pa. French for Becca said, comment ça va? Now I just say, I catch me. Me kai Spanish so dia ne kakra como estás? Na membra nkre mu yese amitaka nkra nti ofa ne to yote. Miracle leke ya fanama. She no big shame Indonesia dia be o say me na me kai. Oh, we thank God for yet another Friday. Oh, Sanya, are you frequency it? And I said, Sompa Delight there on Friday. So, today is Freestyle Friday. I may say Freestyle Friday on Sompa Delight. Me pacha ko Facebook sisi anakore se nya me ye Sompa Delight action no Sompa Delight. Ye mamunyina kwaba. Me jidi se na watchi akoyi ama o. Ai erade oni ye di ni ye. Se enkwa ewoye mu nkwa de oni ye di ni ye. And also say near owa ode ba no obeye. Once there's hope, you definitely know that new things will happen. Ebe crack a tongues nasa. Fize nengo sra desa no. Eye jamango sra. Anya bia wo kai wu school time jama bia na muhia na eye in fact jama de ye shiara na twifo ne ka ne samambo ana meboa. Auntie Ajwa, Makaba. Chief worker Jama Samamo, yes, sir. I Samamo, son of my friend. Samamo, Mpatomuku Samra.
Media Jamana.
Say, ya trunk, right? Jamana,
no one anymore.
And I Yami Musu Jamedo.
Pa.
She said, "Yeah, a son and oh, I am just as a hoarding be a exactly, especially who could be more sports be near there. And neno ye jegum jama. Now you be beautiful lines, so some tea for but now bow kai jama beer. Not yet two na wa a kikibwa. No one took a crab meti. It's a freestyle Friday, no. I did Jama dead. What name? Red bit mice. If I'm a man now, I said, now, where kicking me that? Share Bakubia, na me kai pass, and I ye two school, who ye started, and not soon. Mr. One go Facebook, I'll go share. Ooh, yeah, no. Ubeti please go on Facebook, Sompa106.5 FM Accra. All in caps. Yes. Yeah, and to me show on Facebook and on YouTube. Now ko share action ni na ho na be feel pa. Wo dey feel nyum ne kakra me ba. She gege. So okay. And then you will call high school days though. And our games be a will call ya ye shija mama wu Philippa. Mrs. Steps, we are here to do a studio, Hano. Oh, session on our patch. Oh, sorry, Nadia, sir. Now, one crown, what do you? She gaga. Freestyle Friday. Obedi wasem nyina ma wate Ante ajoa Ayesoko Erade obedi yasema ma yo amen eya ne wose ye de bi ya seda ye de ya ye ntontom because unim Ose wutinwi egu wutiri so no onim ne dodo onim enti den no ntumi nyemma wa enti e wase kwada na bi da wo so a no wa ma hye wo so ama wa boto ama sometimes e bi mo okom peso mo fo mo nkwa nyame mu ode mesraw nya hwehye mu se nyankropon no na ni kum wo ho ose wo da ne nsayem na chese wa yetise ko na ni kosua enti no memma hwe kura nhye wo so moto wonye obasa de bi amasema meka ne se asembe ya na yede sikantwam ni nyina no kro ya na yede ka na nyankropon so amanya nsan so de tie bia no de ho to ne so a ade na a kire wo so na wo ye den ya wontumi ntete wo ho no obetwitwa age wo
say eya problem say yenka because I don't see a juma. Nyaminim bibia de onimu kone oba wo for helping but esa wo kasa. Aha.
Men fan show mu kasa. Na wo kasa no ka kire rade. Obi kwa say sometimes or the akonwe si ho na wa kasa rade be na me no better town. Me pacho enu na be boa wa je na ye free. Because otie me ma bibia nsha wo say ye dey be say freestyle Friday o freestyle enti no be a wo bia sorry na dia sa
pepe
enti ene Sompa delight eso ne away
yes me see I no pay me boss say wo bono say an ma boni ye die na me say akakakra
Auntie akosi ayechao
na me say akakakra
me say me frequency no one no
na frequency we dey special grace
enti no ogba no ama musu kakra and I see some delight
yes
enti yemetie fu akwaba yemetie fu akwaba me patch also want to say
radio adom na so
ye ogusu shira ye na ba ye nwom to ade asedane ye because ye nim say ye yi na ye no na oye mo enti abibia sa na ye be ye no
ye de nyame ase
me patch konsa kakra ojomo ana
kakra
Na can and freestyle.
And then the Enkaya see a new conquensabia. But say, we cried the infants and said that your conquensa, but the benny day.
So, I am not the conquensa, and yet your foot to Sabbath. I know they hear and your conquensa here, but I put to a night, the better sister. Monko, sir. Okay. And ya sign Emma etie phone yina akwaba. Emra Sompa. Yes.
Who did I how many romantic?
Biemu Sompa. Delight.
It was your friend one boy, no.
Yes, I charm you on him,
Nana Suma. Your mamma called baby, now when you say it's not to say, dear. Na ye bo nyom ye mu ani age enkomo ebe benefito spiritually, physically, mentally eno na ye de ebro enti okay na ye vocabs corner enti
ye be recap
enti ebro no dru ho no mo a na wa frɛ na won so word a week we no o utimi efaye na wa ma ye hu but ene no enkomo na mebo no tewtew se de be ye betimi afa course na dodo se unimu se adeɛ baako a ɛma ye Kristo som etintim ɛyɛ baptism esubo na esubo no asɔre bia ne sɛ deɛ wɔyɛ ne nneɛma yɛhwɛ yenuanom orthodox for na most often no ɔmokra de yɛbu esu abra usua ebi mu nso yɛkyɛn ɛma wunyi na utimi ɛte Kristo suma se wa accept Jesus Christ wonim papa nimbone na wagena na yabo wasu na asofo ewo mai mu se eniema bi koso o man kan be hadwere sesi anso ni kura yenya bi ne ade abo asu
na inso da kwai
yenya bi galam se fu asɛ no
sa no mpa kyerɛ o mun ko se
galam se fu asɛ nsuo no nyina
ne nya be san akopetepete
Say, say, baptism, no correct one, the Bible, ne my who ye, the Bible, no demonstrating my who ye, a baptism by immersion. Yenka say sprinkling, any other forms in ye. But the Duduanwa enimno, and I make a wasem, and the Bible, no, achemu Yesu Christo edinishensum. And see, I don't need any. Enti by immersion no say immersion so yentimi nya ne wo pool yentimi nya say akura amanfo ko pool no ma ko boys because enso tin ne nyina asai abusua galamse fu asai no enti asofo no say sesia no wo mo esre say wo dey for whatsoever reason for wo dey wo suro nyame mfere nyame na so be say asase be say asase asensu a wo de munya nsutine bi ani da ho kama emfa ma asofo no se de be ombo be accept Jesus Christ no so omo Lord and personal savior ye betimi abebo o masu yesremu yesremu ye betimi abebo o masu na when most often yes kronkumani mu
okay
to say central region western other regions na aside enkran
okay
Accra de say baby yenhye da nye gala wa ha yenhye da nye gala ba baby a galamse no ye no dodo no eho
and almost rest
eho so say
okay
aje so mo kopi obi hotel no o ma je pool no na o ma ye eno so de emwa enti wo mo sremu galamse fo no wo mo se munya nsuo ni fa ba wo mo enti eho asem so trendy pay e wa hanum say na me next story Rihanna
okay
nyomtuni na lady woman I mean ye can Rihanna those kind of music cry what in the pain unim enyoma oye very popular successful career wise name she's a mother na okogrante interview be recently na obiebie niema bi so na nkrofo se enti de ne ye frɛ no old school nti se na ehu hia saa se se eja genzi fo yi ayaba yi ye ntehwe we are always clack it we are always about ourselves. We are always about what we want. And we are said entie de nipa ka. And we are said I don't care what people think about me. And ye de ho beto. And do what will make you happy. Me patcho say si ade era na ye wom no eno na me bubo so de akere wo you. Hey, entu betie de nipa ka at the expense of your own happiness. Hey, life is too short to live it. You only live once. Any attempts in it, I can go on and go on and go on.
I see.
But what's here, maybe baba? You will care what people think about you, and you will care. Dear, what they were brabo aye, and dear Edda when him when udru baby because. We are seeing you na yenyi obi ene ho obeya kora forever.
That's right.
Yen nyina yenyi enti wote wa no hu say yes enema bi ameyeye o se sesia no she's a mother, she's a woman.
Okay.
Nenie bie efa enema bi abrabo what life really is.
Okay.
Na ibu ho no ma what tifia no wo hwe ni old videos or share ni music videos bi or share programs bi okoye ne ntade bi a na ehye no o so otimi hu bi na sabe ne mpokua na eda so na ne nipples ano na etua ho o say did I really wear this dress?
Wow.
Yes.
Wenye no hu. Wow.
O say enti me pa na me share sa atade wi. Oh. Enti me pa na sabe me yi me hu sei. Enti o say now or mana we realize say if somebody should tell her to wear those dresses, to say those things, to expose herself that way and all that, no, she wouldn't do. Enti o namsa akwenya no so. And I just see a special to be mount.
And then I shout to special.
Na yetimi clear near be free. Yes, I be hard. We have a long way to go.
Oh, but sorry now, what
yeah.
Touching.
Very, very touching.
In the sense, and I'm a funny baby. Sakwan is no monamo.
And
some wokika and we are so woke up here so casado. Woo ye pen now casado and now woo theatre ye found dear so and then I be coiling and no cassette. Hey, and I Rihanna of all people. Wow.
And yeah, you have to cut some people off. And yeah, obi say be so concerned kakrebi. Me pacho, if you can't deal with this is me, this is how I am. If you can't deal with me, you walk away. Na me pacho fame any sika Rihanna anya wo wiase no. Me pacho wenya bi ana. Wenya bi.
Ade,
wonya bi no enije ben na won hu ye anasa won enjoy ye enije ben program ben ase no won kwa show ben won moye sika ben won nyaye cars ben won na mu efie ben won siye trips ben won koye vacations. Oh, I can go on and on. Na se ne oti achi no sha those years early 20s, mid 20s, even the early 30s. Cry no she lifestyle be a will live yenwa. When who said Debbie?
Hey, say not so.
Hey, lifestyle cry so that's what is so.
Aye.
So.
Yeah.
Now she's a mother. She's a. I don't know if she's a wife, but yes, on a bear manete. And Osha Sanya Manema say, hey. Enti what if say me ma eba na omukọ internet no so na ye ko hu ne ma aya how would they take it? Enti what say sesia no ono waye en wa bedru ha na wa hu say amwa.
Okay.
Enti mpacho sa won so wonam saa line so a hwe na tu hu fo.
Na friend is saying entertainment industry because we don't know as
movies industry no say oh it's part of the craft. It's part of the art. But I know musicians who are decent and they still make their videos but you see there are new maybe wo hono mo a ochina oti etire na wo hwa you are like oh this thing and it's there forever it's there forever it might not be a be a crampona enye waware. I remember I went for an interview me call interview no ena omubisa panel ne bisa me social media handle me bo handle na ewo manim. What's your Instagram account and TikTok? And I me kaye.
Wow.
Scrolly. Wow. Oh, okay. And you've been taking a lot of pictures, yeah?
Wow. And
when I was accounting, and you might not even know ebia na wo de no ebia na nya ware ebia na nye emma ebia na ye deal be it could be an opportunity ejuma be obi na recommend you so oh abaiwe or you very good mon fa ejuma ne ma no ye ko check you profile just oba sebi we bie ne to ne ade ho ne da bi ye hwe wa ye si da bi brand we de moyen
no kra na wo ka no
enti yenye careful of nyoma ye posting how you live your life na wunnim ba bia wo chena obekwa akopie enti yemfa rehana efutuo ni bi na yemfa nto ye kotodwem mbacha me time wo hana na menya one story okay. So, Nollywood star Patience Ozoko, I mean, she's a legend, and yeba sinicha, mami yentimi mbo Nollywood aye money din, ejumana wayache. Na wadi atu just say, senkebeya, said ye nyomtofo ewo royalties, enshisheye ana arrangement ne initiatives no, anka movies ifo no so nyabi ye. Because, dudwo especially Nigeria ho, why you say popular actress way, popular actor way, wayare okoye surgery ye pesika na ye jeje ami se nan ye kanyum to for de e wa hanum sei en wo chese nyanyum to for ne kwansini twafo no wo mo bre papa it me patcho hu legend bi a ye pesika e de amana enka se nipa na wa mobra enka nipa na wa mobra na won se wo mo no mo time no na they were all about a jumane more.
Yeah.
They were about a dino more. Mami nye juma talent. That was what they were all about. Me wo bibi wo mi mumi pese wiase hu. That was all. They did not really take into consideration a far future. Say debi beba ahoden no enni ho. Untimi nkoset so regularly to say dia woko no edru ho how are you going to survive? And that time most of them one ejuma na omo ye and then na say wiase akwanim ani bia ba obi ye ejuma no wa business kakra bi investment first class anko for investment no omu nim enti osre say industry players no mo asesi amuwo mu take advantage na munye bibi emfama mo ho said ye be ya wo kine bi se wuni ahoden na ubetimi dia corset so a at least investment bi a waye no ebetimi aye de kakra e de amount na nso wetimi e de asosom na movie industry no nso no wo monye structure bi enfama sinitwafo no say ye deals na wobetua na e bi a ebedru ba bi e be ye de na wobetwa so wo monye ne saa ba say Nollywood ho no wo mo hye da ni bibi saa etisanka wo betimi aye bibi a etisanka betimi aboa pa na coming from Patience Ozoko ne de esi ehu se ye ni brisem se oko break kakra hiatus no ebi to no me say word ne de me nya cho se me
Now, Odim, thank you for your great stories. Last one, yeah, okay. About Nollywood, but happy to Ghana how the same
thing
trend. The same trend. If one, Oman shed that knowledge about investments.
Yes.
And it was all about passion. No, me.
Yeah.
Stage say me book concert me book show we sana fe. Assume ye drew na fe sika bi eni ho enti no yes bibi e wo say yesua but mama fa we enka ho say musica you introduce pensions pensions remember bia de ne ho sha pension ni ma e be kasa ma na chire enu nti e na ye introduce ye same way ya enti a good thing so bia o ye musician of Ghana member bia
obe join
enroll because we are ebeboa o later no ho adwojo na wontumi enye active to say they are yes no then you have something udi be gidi kakra udi be twetwa ho
I see any fame authority for so munye bi na beboa na de ekura movies no se si atonsuom e wo Ghana ha sei atonsuom but there are a lot of talents, there are a lot of sika aban betimi anya e di free sa industry ni honestly if you go to Nigeria right now me say every week be me week crowd there back to back the market space is big, like it's huge. But obienya ne die wom. Enti yenso yenye now unim se Ghana sinitwafo ni nyina kotena Nigeria.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. They've moved. Talk of Too Sweet Mo, talk of Gloria Safo, talk of Jackie, Nadia. I mean, I can Anthony Wood. I can go on and on. Because the system here is not favoring them. And yet, producer BAB obenya sika si anu mehu se Pascal Amanfo director washa sie ya opese ti o see enkrofo opese odi omu ye movie no omu was set so wo Nigeria so was slow it down at the moment. Look yes, I was see a Danny Yanisha when ye send a bayer kono, and yes, directors no so no use new faces.
Okay.
Use new faces. I'm telling you that me Nollywood movies pa. Me nye bibia na say jume bia na me so na my de me ye am pese me relax here. I can be in my room and watch movies. And I like Nollywood. Me mpesa agushi na yifo on there bi fan o best resa e ho ne de now they release stress.
Okay.
But say bia me da ho when you drink bi na aduane bi si wanim na fan bi si so ne ade what tre wo na mu na che say
sister Ipechile
o chele kakra I mean when yes can go campiski bia obetimi a show them who enjoy yes. Oh, well, see, and I have seen the growth. Nigerian movie industry. There's been so much growth. New faces being introduced to one more, and now one more. I mean, young guys. It's yes, more introducing new faces. No, say na be almost on ye be who omo. Mo de omo to so ya shebi. Enti that is patience also call and ye di ho enkomo and so enono. Enti my last story for the day counseling psychologist and educationist be a friend counselor Angie obetwetwe nsem kakra de afa trauma ho say bia people who have childhood issues, it could be family immediate people be around. Now the lady be situation the example say onene maame enkasa or say ne childhood no no of be a repeat no na okobo ne maame amane ne maame ese oboa na wofa wo send obetimi ai bibisa so it's like the mother did not even listen to the na akoda ne person kan at the time and omo brush asem and that thing hunting all the life and na obe breaky out on social media trying to pour what's going on now. Recently she's wafefu and one say near my pregnancy at the bar, even crowd deliver kolani shemu ne sanema no, and she was wishing sesanka onyama mi bia obetimi aso ni mu anaso obetimi aboa no obetimi aben obi obetimi ne di nkomo even though her mom is alive but it's literally like she's not here because there's no relationship, there's nothing because of the esinunti. And I say mostly obi offer trauma be it and let it go and just manipano on her own pace
on process
and near etchasa no is because nipano one is either when timia open up and tem and now when yamwa and tem psychologically it's in a year channel but say be adeni see ye be enfie miensa and nine enum and onya obi otimi epa emu katre no no ni di nkomo na onya amwa bi ma na anka most often no sankofo no they get over the issue. But a chesa no na obedili with and patrol enye 2 weeks and now 1 year asem. Ese wonya nipa ne ho adaje. Se na be obetimi a process sa na ma nyina nti na okafa trouble in our real relationships mu even adwuma mu ene niema bebre social life no trauma it's really doing a lot negatively on the lives of nkrofo enti yenhwe how I no so wo hwe so na bibisha wo so a seek help.
That's right.
Seek counsel. And you obia na ye can't sensitive matters straight. But at least there's somebody there you can speak to.
That's right.
It could be ebusuani bi a woji ni di. It could be osofo. It could be a professional counselor. At least talk to somebody. Unim se ni pe menene kasa obetimi aboa me. Menfa nhwe mu.
Okay.
Enti I think that's it for today. Ewo my stories are name de buy
emo hwam ehu hwam enti ne yenkipi ne ye pese ye fe ye si susu de na wo si enya ya toothpaste
right
any me toothbrush ne de twi ese na ye eyi ti se srichi ahoma me se na no man ka srichi ahoma na man ka and until Lexter Company Limited and Emma Yas toothpaste any Yas toothbrush. Also for hygienic healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Now we pay to market baby ubenye bi wo ho. Accra omo number ni 050-161-9588 and Kumasi 050-139-0338. Me bomodiana frɛ mo na jewode na wo se enye eyi wanum nye hwehwe na wo se mpo enye eyi ti se srichi ahoma ebusiafo mi twa me ho abasesia na me ba hey ye di jamano ebe hwehwe so menko ba bia
na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne siatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je se 21st clinic nko a wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o ya no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica na stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na ba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert
Hajia special local food abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local food e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e fre ni local food ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehye abontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024-6
02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 05947972115 for not with them.
Hey, middle. Edrano pa wutimi to boase. Echichiwusi o. Do. Na so ni se me the yas toothpaste and the brush and the chichi mesima mi nya homka. Senti na ye bokoi. Na me die me all time favorite. Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush. Abua me ama say menum nso a enyunu anasa de ehia. Me sem finfem me biem. Na won hwasa me se aye fita sesrecha homa. Na et brightens. Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese. Enti na wo se afei. Na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die. Ebo wo se ho ban. Demu ne nyina. Ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes. Enu krotrodo. Yas herbal, yas whitening, and yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush. Ebusian chamfa.
So wo pedudu 2 e won kan ha. From Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy.
Tontonte yenum nsane afadwen ne afadwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia den tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baabia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ sifo amenya hoodin menum ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoodin ni apomuden kwa wokọ pharmacy ana baabia to nro bia obenya tontina 74 yi biato T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and a 0246-073-498 FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesati Kwambo.
Oyunyankopon di fa wastra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso. We ni buta teacher Sompa First Service. Ewo homa yen. Enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bra Onyankopon kasa kire ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radensa. Na erade beye.
Ya boy! Ya back Sompa. Ya boy! Ya back Sompa.
Ati adwa be di ni concern ewie. Eti ye come back to ye jama coin so.
When man wo fe wo no e wo ba ya when man Kristo we bi. When man wo fe wo no e wo ba ya when man.
Wa ho mo ye omuti no makonwa mu a omutu mi sapa no.
Wo ba.
Me ya e bia.
So e lo.
Oh sorry ana asanaira.
Wo fe wo no e wo ba.
Oh but to the peja omu na serie.
Happy ye ni na ye ni o ye be go happy nenya.
Adai.
Oh ye na ye ni o ye be.
Me say eneno Jama line just say yi Freestyle Friday. And our rich bit mice, oh Chani Yopo. Ati adwa wo kai jama bia na ka che me wo kai jama bi wo school che se jama bia ye to ya na ma moral ana wa school anya activity bia
me de na book nsem ne doso
yay
adia ena niamwa me e was live na me a day student
okay.
Eba entertainment Debbie you not find me be a sports and there so be a timmy baby
we auntie so
oh Debbie
we auntie so
oh Debbie me person your man no but I didn't really participate ube hu me backers no me can backers no
anyway
but if there's always one Jama song I'm managing Kotoji
this is my day
Kotoji Bekoto and yeah
feel na mano oh na ama huhum nyina yes ba ku bia make pa o say ansa na de beche akuko bebo kokroko ansa na de beche oh
wow
and internet na Freestyle Friday yes yeah Bwera High School for him. Na jama wo kai bia no ye bie phone lines na o de to na ye ntie ai na se wo enye jama po na be kai we ene no ho ye Bwera High School for ne ho pa wo de wo kai e bia e nickname bia ye de ma wo na se teacher bia mo ma nickname bia se ba kwa be she mitim
yes so many
me say Freestyle Friday now benya only on Sompa tonight
me de ba ku bia me kai de oh me remfida gbonyo
teacher Abena mo de ma na ka kire me
gbonyo na no onye me teacher po but na me say o economics so say dey yeah and gbonyo na Mr. Pia Mr. Pia Mr. Simon Apia ni di ankasa enono but mpacho I'm sure that's all now cran and kofo be ho no kra teacher no mu ni di ai gbonyo na sesi a oye lawyer enti
wow it's yes. Mr. Apia ye chiano ni mama family dey been to ho na achimasa so near head mistress no ye wild na nani e den chese ye nyina nyomo de be hihye ho na straight you know me say Charlotte Brew Graves and I say me kai dini po you rade we are motor na wuti abacha bobo dey na text me edin na ye different because of saying no ye prom no pe eyi nneoma say ne wo say ye hihye ne bibia ene discipline pa enye easy at that time into no name as students man no ya kporo na onim ne tie ka kporo no ye mpese e be ka horror
okay
it's ya kporo and onim no nim say friend ya kporo no nim
I see.
Oh that's what usually ya did it to a winimo
say you did it to a de then the obeje beto da de ye yi ne de obon say atia faso
because I say one of the times or your presentation be named so can't find more so then no be asking and who kind story did you beautiful license to be no one say our friend no Abeka. Interesting part teachers be brave. Now only most of the time these teachers are the ones who be kayo mu debia and lessons are no much shows so na ya na a wow lifestyle later in life. Just say mommy say or the discipline batch motor school at the time and easy. Just say you might be wo because who name say akporo.
I see.
It helped. Oh yes, it did. And I'm sure there are a lot of names uncle for the other two teachers be as a result of
my English madam, me a friend of Aurelia. But when you need Diana, no, hey, mommy, ne bro for some, and they said, dear, just one pen was to obey fa, I no, hey, no, said you obey a boy, the necrano. Oh, Madame Gloria.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, and the for no one I can say beautiful lines now. Then you okay? Say Jamana na okay. Me the Jamana na me. Hey, na ye shiapa di masamamyo, di masamamyo na me di masam. Me shaka anyway. Onyamye, onyamye di masamamyo. And I say yakwa excursion. Now backbenchers, no backbench. Me ya working backing vocalist be what me check. Yeah, excursion. Ne yakwa she hona ye. She get na bass him. Hey, it to be she Jamani sa na bass ne also. In fact, it's okay. These exciting moments are please share with us your beautiful lines. Now, before we go there, no. Say this week yeah wet maybe. Into ye be go through. Then the o banner and open up person will kai say and then they actually new operator. And then they actually know and then mom no it be a first second third na be wo ho. Ye be share position so we na ya there. I don't know enti but me promise you be say or friend na be man enti say on anybody a special one no dey I mean there was a DSM so sure. Enti Monday whether I dey buy was fabbing.
Yes.
And I say, oh baby, now we ignore mom wo no. Now we concentrate on your phone now. And you're no fabbing. Hey, me see this week, you sway, and baby out because we are always doing it.
Yeah.
We are always doing it. And then Tuesday,
you be circumlocution.
Exactly. Hey, circumlocution. Cushion. Now you say where's the break? Can't describe it
adie simple be and can bet me the one word keke.
Exactly.
Circumlocution.
It's like you are beating about the bush. Who go round I won't cast them no. Mostly be up so confusing for now yes adie no. Okay.
I old school.
Me boss and the competition be peace. And the third day no was
comatose.
So they about me do.
Comatose.
Minya boss am na abo mama. Obe what style or the one na be and then so comatose say try you ko fie bi
to me.
Koto ha na o
die ye fro kra wonte. Just wedu akire.
And Andra was
and no sickle.
Yes. It be a follow something else. Yes. Incidents be I follow another. You know, into no and only a sickle. So sickle to this, we did that and that. Into no patro use words no. Use near the umbrella.
Fabbing. Use circumlocution.
Exactly.
Use comatose. Use sickle. Use now bro for us say mu kakra.
Where Ubenya was Sompa delight. I tell you, see how much I cover.
Now, I'll be in my mic today.
It was super. Them.
Moka secondary school, no. I can nicknames. Me say, much. Sompa delight. When the man call junior high school, I started my senior high school.
Okay.
Me call Roman girls.
Okay.
All right. Roman school. Me actually me call Roman primary St. Peter's.
Okay.
And I son so call Roman girls that junior high school JSS.
Okay.
Immediate JSS. Junior secondary school.
JSS.
Na your madam be a mass. Na ochradie na front so kakra.
Kanina.
Na front so kakra. Na you use a mass so the school for your tampe. Or baby na wabara obia. Or church will say, is that point clear? Say what can say, is that point clear? Yes, we ente. Hey, because we see a come no. Yes, Intia say, almost is that punk here? It's not any friend no. Tobisha, is that punk here? Almost say, is that punk here? Waba. And you bear mental. On your bear mental. And is that punk here, baby? Wait. And is that punk here, baby?
It's a punk.
Is that one of them say who say a friend, sir? Oh, yes, is that punk here?
Interesting how they always find out.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
One day no munim say.
I don't know me san ko KNUST Senior High School.
Okay.
Na sabre no na your headmaster no. Na bodjo say eti ne friend Mr. Bodjo say. Na bodjo say you know what? Na ye hu bi do bi a and no so what? And na bodjo say you know eti headmaster Bodjo say. Eti o pieba we headmaster Bodjo. And na dey huru by chase what is your friend about say. Yeah, as never me dey Mr. Boama headmaster Boama. Ba ne ka headmaster Bodjo say. School for near the dinner rough. Eti to be honest secondary school life say junior high school and secondary very interesting. Sometimes what I make esenka me dey mecha picture next week mo ya na me dey aba. Me dey me wo junior high me wo senior high school too. Picture beba next week I'm going to confirm for more old pictures next week in confirm for more secondary school pictures so we should before and after next week before and after Abena next week before and after nobody knows next week before and after
so na sesi akra he me body sesi akra he
and
oh Mr. Bretre show me old picture me say the uniforms na white and blue white inside and a blue no eguso me share me say this 16-year-old girl na dey na ekoso na adwini
you know
I was just thinking I didn't and you maybe sa no soloku ni ade na wutimi didi agro ye ko jama eni ade a eno ni ade ni nicknames na ade bi asresre
boss eno soloku ni jama no ho hwehwe at the beginning no na me ti say efe bi no samamo
samamo susu ho no samamo it was me can say school ni e call Samamo Yesu di na one daddy amebo Samamo Yesu one daddy one daddy amebo Samamo Yesu Saudi makuma
that ya trying to know we see ya only
to be honest the pana me kai say okay university na ye ta ko Katanga hall we so almost the boys omusua de sometimes you go jeja on ye show omo keke say the omusi Katanga for and I know so mo ko Lagos so common word hall I vandals so it's na very interesting
very
school school you fun
yes
just that at that time you know me say o ka say no anti
social no say yes adema na on covid
baby abehum ne yekoye quiz
okay quiz na abehum
na abehum me sisi ade ya jai ya be
Next week, mom, there, Abena Munye before and after. And now I'm for more pictures and bra.
Okay.
Who was secondary school? And they said, I'm before and after. Because I'm more beer before and after, to be honest with you. But it's a good experience. I'm glad send me. Moba my tea phone so I be share one day. If I Germany, some nicknames be na wo school. Nicknames be na wo school.
Obi de kotre.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Say, hey, kotre. Can you imagine? Now who was secondary school? They are classmates. And the floor kotre.
Not just a fancy
to be not the slide.
Sure.
Only a friend is secondary school, I am a senior snippet so most from 1 4 near the idea. No, they be our best man be excuse amount. Okay. They be our excuse amount to one to the slide. Yes. Now what to me a dodgy be into on the slide.
Okay, all right. There's a brand no children. They will free their body. Oh, Pebia cow. One of the secondary school, they say, Black Jamupa could never be man.
Hey, studio high episode, and then high school original and Casa, and your baby phone lines not to. Now, my boss, me producer, oh, not tell
just man, as a man, okay, I'm a tea, Obonuna, a kiki me pa.
Cash!
Mami. As resembles to see me driving me banana. Answer na job kasano. No person ka Sompa delight. Ajwa say okay fa. E wana na me kwa msi ade ese misua kam take care me ba. Sompa. Me ka ne ne fa ma za. Me aya wu kan tia na ma basa me be. Delights. Nickname
number 0260196064 and 0260196065. I hire Sompa Delight with Abena Ruthy 0260196064 and 0260196065. How do you nickname?
Nickname no me YSS no na me now for from aim high.
Oh wow.
I'm see many so ade as dey be am can some kese nti aim high. Sana na different.
Na Jerry dey no one dey be man because ye man eyi ni be emfa. Na obi to say Jerry na ye see a friend stone there be emfa.
No SS na me chapel prefect o.
What man make am? Mr. Joe man so for.
SU prayer secretary.
Okay.
Your Bible study and prayer group be aggressive. Me so na me di nti prayer dem ma me stone. Na assembly see SS na me rain fit da. Nickname was him ya. SS no ba. Seniors na show say no na make say seniors na show wa. Ni ai naming ceremony amount. Who don for beji. Na branch e bi na e ko friend owo. Okay. Isan say owa pa hu na. Oyo bi owa me mate. Na we na didimu sa na.
Over Jerry
table for any break. What say the studio how much have?
Hello.
Hello, Marcos.
Marcos Yawa.
Ai na Branswa.
Mapa Sompa,
Edini Biompacho.
The evangelist what is written.
Oh, evangelist what is written. Yama Wakwaba.
And the mama, I don't want any gas I can.
Oh,
the guy was let the master no. Master Matthew. The child man or the chop at your secretary of him. But one point of Matthew. Emma, you're the day. Wow. You're a couple of nothing. You're not ever stuck around it. A man is not putting it. Now, yes, now you're a man. A man is not putting it. A man is born your maha. I'm going to say, if you buy for him, you not to home. Down in the home, let's get the mouth. Now, coming up to the media.
That is a power now. Moral.
I can't get the born with the assault of that. Kai! Now, we are going to come down and number up.
Soon.
Let not out cry. And I choose another guy by the premier. I guess you're the man in a friend.
Evangelist nickname no man in you.
Nickname no man in a phone. The man is anti Akati.
Okay. Akati. Oh, wow. Who's starting here, sweetie? That's a papa. Chesa enye is you in Kofu.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Isaac Islegon.
Isaac Islegon. Okay, me pacho fa udi etu je na ye twen.
Wonderful king.
Wonderful king. Oh wow. I see.
No, I may enjoy the Germany Tora. Oh, Kuntola.
It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Sa. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Kuntola. Sompa your tema.
Sompa me your tema. Ma wano kwe my nickname ne jama na ope. Hello.
Yeah, this is do tema. Sompa me.
Yes sir. You're welcome.
Yeah, the word do is I got it somewhere in 1977.
Okay.
From Talk of the Town when I was one of the best dancers.
Oh,
wow. And that was a damn bomb. A tour, that was a very good, beautiful dance.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's the quality life of me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Wow.
So
that's
all
amazing.
the time when you hear do, I'm the one.
In the international dance. Me pacho ha. High school no na train e ba e.
Oh, charuma.
Me pacho bye. Enye easy o. Now unim sa chede bi wo ho. In fact, panelist na ayo mo ba no ba kwa text me.
Okay.
Say yen hwe na nea obey need ye be conquer no be man a gig 10 gig 5 gig for second and then 20 gig for the first 10 gig for the second and a 5.
Nice.
But I won't count. Hello.
Good afternoon, Patrick Grace.
Auntie Grace, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, Mawakaba.
Yeah. Okay. The Patrick, I'm promising me say, and never man to me.
Wow. Me Patrick, me best na kra maka. Mate. Any maninko because me promise you until maninko.
Sompa the light, Sompa the light. Ahana, 106.5 Sompa FM. 106.5 Sompa FM. 106.5 Sompa FM.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, family. Check rehearsal sister. I you inside and over. Yeah, man.
Auntie Grace.
Thank you. Pachaka me jamano.
Twaso.
Okay. I want a two.
All right, it's what now one nickname be so ana.
But I shall not a nickname beyond.
Ish. Now, but can you na mintie?
But I shall
beyond. And I also Sompa delight.
Okay.
Okay. Pastor, your friend say.
Me di Danny me first man.
Okay, Uncle Danny Mawakwaba.
Yo. Me sumeto antemu se sata na atem na se nyina de machiko class se na bi de be bro kunyum.
Aha.
And one day was some mountain here where she did do wa.
Sa.
We are marching to our classes. We are marching to our classes. We are marching to our classes. And no more to return.
Wait, I'm better because the honor and stress they all. Offer Danny. It's now. No. Now me feeling bad no this shame oh. Yeah, that's it, so friend. Yeah, that's it. Wow. And easy. Just say studio high. Hello. Yamawakwaba. Good afternoon.
Aha, Mr. Media, BBC, yes, 9
okay.
Now, the INT is a whole year Adventist school.
Okay.
Now, a fire lecture, if you see me about now, yes, Sabbath of the candle. And see, on the big dinner, you will not settle. Now, for a year, dog will lie.
Oh,
no. You offer no, I can't open. And my God, Mrs. Senior, and then when I'm here, a Jama Moyer, automated tail.
Or the 10 Jasenka, or the 2 months, and 1 young to me, the next just on the 10.
And then, yeah.
Anyway, auntie, Eba Jamani Sosa, who will be Anna.
Aye, Jamano, aye. Why are you coco? Everybody, bring your calabash. Bring your calabash.
Oh! Wait, I am missing Inka. You pa, you better to pa. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
Sompa delight. Me pata won lowa o set ne kakra wai. Lowa o set ne kakra me. Lowa o radio ne kakra. Aha, na yentie wo. Ne yati ne ye pa.
Pacha me first
La Paz. Oh, okay. Emo akwa ba.
Superstar now,
I am superstar. And now, what was who bed you will give to know Waba?
That's what they do. One mommy direction, one friend.
Okay. Any, me patch me producer Jeremiah Befro. Why? Okay.
Now, anytime they call me to the other my late, and I said, my name is Tommy Bant, and my Adia Sana Meganity.
Hey,
you're great from Baon. Not in my way. And you. man and this one. That girl matter. I don't with the that girl matter. That girl.
And I put in that girl matter. Hey, school for pa. Listen, I am 2 days home. And your way is sitting on there. They are 2D. Oh wow. And yet that girl matter. Miss Robert, you gift no.
Yeah.
Wow. Not Jamane so.
Okay, Jama ba family pepper. Kena.
She gege. No, Auntie Martha, you dance so far, so afraid. Hallelujah. Just a producer, Augustu, and then
okay, Mimi de na America na. Chese Abranti oba school fro. Ena owa o nipa bia na owa. Ena seniors no efre no owo. Hey, say din abeka.
Oh,
as the round near your naming ceremony from our year Nebeka.
Udi bewie.
Inti I talk also sana. Ni parent, ni papa. To be specific, ni papa ba school ho. Say obesrano Saturday bi. Wa ba branti e din ye hu no.
Esida o.
Ya ye hu no.
Esida.
Na we na of ga ba ko papa no ehu no san bisa no. E na ofre obo on class no frɛ another guy say Charlie nipa asumesi papa obo ni din say papa no hwɛ ni ba. Ga ba ko no ni no the same room.
Okay.
Boarding house on the same room. To board ni pe. And oh. Ah, woni we yo. Hey. Sana papa oga. Ayo.
Because they didn't know
what you call friend or what buy. You call friend akoi buy ne papa. Visitor pavilion no. Papa ne just say wa boile.
Oh.
Me ma two din what ba school. Aba first adin way. Dey shemi kura say what for aboadi. What for war. And unim say agro papa no fa if you aso me auto provisions egum papa ne say the backra.
Oh.
Hey. Serious issue. You see me we fit da.
Parents think
enti omo na parent bi omo wo no e no mo ka chere guy ni say ondi ni papa eji no mpa ne chopa ne chono ntia aji so kofie to di papa eji sa papa say papa di to ka mu na poa o to ka asa agro papa na bakra enti ho sada na awia no e na abranti e ko senior master ho e ko ji exam ko experience ji exam e ko fie oba Tuesdays Wednesdays weekend no twa fie ko patch o me ji say de ngofo kra di ne ji ko patch o ansana brass and soba school ne fit your friend won fi o on fi that
ade anade pa e
and then be hu ne crap o mo friend no
na unim din de to so aka o
think Canada na ade a me re fi da me re be fi bibia o ss na nya sa ade because na yes resan ya rewo pa
unim say me kai junior says ya no friend junior high me ko ka junior high me ya say JSS na ye friend no na guy bi na onanteba school say bia na ote no na ewa enti no se ne onanteba ni saa enti no unim din ye friend no twa nantu say try and crying and nantu ye nantu enti yo twa nantu ene ye na yo
we anything
chana to na
we ni across out chire musen
guy bi say yo
awon na oba bisa say nickname
chana to the name
o chire musen
chana to na ye friend o enye easy just say names dey bebre
but it's a very interesting stage of our educational experience a very interesting stage SS very interesting stage obeka u say so we be fi bibia kwa say aya we fi nsem ho you think say me kwana JSS ketwa even tertiary there ketwa tertiary bi ani abre but SS no na nse hunu ni pa obi ka say me say ni pa stage of life in your educational experience no baby a obe say na won say SS
secondary that's true
me say me call SS no do me free me were Christian upbringing but say many say nyamisum nie me seriousness power free SS day one I'm stepping into SS. And me SS experiences there. I hardly. I am. I
agree with you. You're forming a lot of your beliefs. I didn't say. It's true. It's
such a wonderful. When you say me call SS for Friday, near train headmaster na manaba. Tena be as minimum uncle be na koi. Meti hona. Me and say bibia perform. Puff. Me ko share ya owo.
Ish.
I'm saying me welcome service no.
MSC.
Hey,
oh,
Smithie, be as my way fear.
Wow.
Say, me tea in a tough. Next day, be an ambassador. Me farm a conya away, a real number. I don't forget SS experience, honestly, and I SS so. Actually, me, Holy Spirit baptism from your SS.
Me, I suppose.
Yeah, so
I mean, don't want na honey dear, don't want na honey say obey crave pa o sha sefi. It's true. It's true. Now far away for me.
Experience baby.
Unim say, "Yeah, ka say ya na Makai, my brother, ni nickname. Na you pro."
Wait. Hey.
I was having going to Busan and said no pro, no, and then of the man. My brother, yeah, launch your bar. Hey, I didn't no pro.
Wow. And I want him say nicknames in Usuno. Parents be only lovely to the extent that Mekai, Menam, yeah, administration son, a senior master frame. Or frame pen or bo obedient same minim nana. Apparently, none pani me senior. So we didn't mean can you free and kai. Now when a senior master and also a gakakra, Vicky Mensa. And obisa papa and say ana kai ni nickname say owa na no esi kura papa say bone tax eh me no na see papa say aga na ba no oba no do odu ni papa nche ya say papa ni nim ni ba ni obo bone tax pe and I'm who ni pa ko me ko am ko friend ba senior master say how the nickname from the how
I mean
some of them who parent Betty di no we drive so no cramp na dey frel
yeah so what it we how can we who scenarios too our and no share different types of parenting because ba no oni akra ni flow the other one no so style ni na akra ni suni mo no so developing something else and they cause it interesting and a very interesting experience
abodi na akwa no fine na no na ha no na ha no abodi na ebemu no
and that nicknames a baby just
but it was so good
because I school prefect and your friend there was a name on the friend just because of how I know behaving. I'm sure it will come to mind. 97-year group Achimota school. Nickname be wo ho na ye different saga ni because any no ye ne ho ni ade no. Usually I say ni awoye wo nioma. Ni dey describe wo ni dey na to so.
No madam for be so. Onu e be it say nickname but na ye ono ani din.
Oh okay.
The na no ye reason why Joseph Vigbedo. Unu say no ye nickname Jovig. Vigbedo say V I G B Han so V.I. Gino no opposite okay. Joseph Joe Jovig.
Wow. So I don't know when your opportunity now when they told yes. Utumi Fabio. But say
any ceremony eba.
Say. They too.
Ebi so the school fathers be omudin. Eto omu school sons. Edin baako Aturu Pepe.
Oh gosh.
Now when akwa we kwato it's entertainment. Okay. School first year, so you see, Baba is be two talents, and a guy is so better. The school father they are two Pepe, and I also call Tunyum, also better. I do suma kodo, so two yano. The school father 19 years, first I say aturu suma kwado, guru suma. I can't buy bobo. So me suma kwado me into koka adu suma kwado no akwa no mic nim to ante say o say adu officer say aturu I say tesa me monkey tesa me suma kwado
when this only
na when this only no
hey she say agroso na dey it's been an awesome time on Sompa Delight
Miss Makabi Sompa
Delight. Oh, you when we cry.
We have that me your card. No me real can me cry sounds like mystery. Me ye na me papa me ni mo. Na fi fe tim na me papa me ni mo.
Jerry me dey me tie me. Eti ya tie for us say omo frɛ ye na omo di omo nickname to dwa na nice jamana omo tutu ye nti producer Mr. Shemi ensana omo win no na Reverend Easton so omo 10 gig 21st person 20 gig and a second person 10 gig and a third 5 gig actually or demo no
okay na yetimi puli stories SS stories abanu so
baby who fie ha wonka ho
yintaso
Uka production team Uka and Reverend Asen, thank you so much, thank you
Reverend Michelle
I na osan ache I tie for so ade amaye it's been exciting so yanko so ane yanka ka stories no na next week Friday send ya antiako kan no ye be before and after and in the course of the week ye beji uka will SS picture any current picture now they are back near the atoto when analysis kakra safro ni bia make ho
na tie for cry your client service line opa SS picture any bi obetimi dey send yes fa send here na ye be your Facebook na anka out to one wa hwe say difference na ba
anyway
do bibia
say but you producer papa streamliner
and the birthday
it's Augustine but on Augustine birthday
say my first cent number
Saint Augustine
and then
yes
Renya
Minshira wow happy birthday akwenya scan ho befe
ne picture ne fe pa no dia baby ko picture wenye picture
was selective
the picture so anya say this year no cha
one ka bede anyway so we show happy birthday nyame onshra na on bless you all the days of your life on as your days so shall your strength be inshira ne de be bu so sa o de sire e be hye we no mu da oh nice
hey Augustine picture which one way because I say minimum ho we
asema ba IPMC
therefore etia hana ye di jumedi enu esinne ye da mu nyina asese moje bre na mu ne yen go through Sompa delight and I think I pa general manager Antiakosia Ago Awaji communication so to so by in school assembly to and same people made production team ni na ase me start if